Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Becoming a Code Expert. In this video, we'll be dealing with string slicing. So what is string slicing? String slicing is a way to extract a portion of a string by specifying the start and end index. For example, I'm having a string S and the value of this S is hello world. And if I want to extract only one specific part of this string, that is ELL, that is called string slicing. And here how we do string slicing is by specifying the start and end index of the specific portion that has to be extracted. So I'll be mentioning the start and the end index. Start index will be included in the output, while the end index will not be included. For example, if I want to extract ELLO from the string, first let me mention the end indexes. The space will be 5, W is 6, O is 7, 8, 9 and 10. So if I want to extract ELLO alone, I will mention it as S, and inside the square bracket it will be 1, that is for E, and I'll mention the end index as 5. So this 5 will not be included, so the output will be from 1 to 4, that is ELLO. So this will be the output. Now let's see this in the form of a code. Now I have taken S as hello world, and I want to extract only ELLO. Now let me write the index position of each of these so that it will be easier. Now I have written all the index positions. Now I want to extract only ELLO. So I'll be printing S, and in square brackets the start index is of E is 1. So 1 till O. O is 4 and the next position is 5, so I'll be writing it as 5. Now let's execute the code. So we got it as ELLO. And now if we want to print the characters from the starting position till a specific position, we will be printing it as S, and since we are printing it from H, we don't have to mention the starting index, that is 0. We can directly give a colon, and then I'll be writing for 5 so that I get the output as hello. And the next one is from a specific index position till the end of the string. I'll be writing it as, for example, I want to print world, so I'll be printing 6. The index of W is 6, so it will be 6 till the end, so it will be world. And the next one is to reverse the string. To reverse the string, I will be writing it as S double colon and -1. And to extract the string completely, instead of printing just S, I can also print it as S, and in the square brackets I'm giving it as colon. So this will reverse the string. And now let us see the outputs. So here first one is ELLO. So to print only hello we got this, and to print the last portion we got world. This is the reversed string, and this is the entire string, and this is for slicing the entire string. And I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.